Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to sort Gmail with Sage. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, Gmail doesn't provide a direct sorting option. So here's what you're gonna do. Open your browser, go on the search bar and type here Google One Storage. Click on the first website where it's saying sign in Google account. Click on it. And here, click on clean up space. In here, select Gmail. Okay. Now you can sort Gmail with size by clicking over here and just select what filter you want. For example, I want to see files larger than 20 MB. As you can see, it is showing files larger than 20 MB, 10 MB to 20 MB, smaller than 10 MB. As you can see, now that's how you can sort Gmail with size. You can also see your emails in trash, spam emails, and you can just delete the email you don't want by just clicking over here. Just click on delete. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.